Up your grilling game this summer with the Cuisinart Griddler and Griddler Elite. Each of these efficient machines comes equipped with dual cooking surfaces and a hinged floating cover, meaning you can not only grill, but also press a panini, top brown a Reuben sandwich, or cook sausage on the griddle. The Griddler features dual temperature controls and cooking plates that drain grease for healthier cooking. The Griddler Elite adds a stylish LCD display, more cooking surface, and the special Sear Blast feature that locks flavor into your steak at 500 degrees. Ditch the traditional grill and discover fun new ways to enjoy your summer cookouts. Cuisinart, savor the good life.
The cores of apples. The ergonomic handle fits comfortably in the hand. The unique lever splits the core in half for quick, easy release of the core. Insert the core into the apple until it goes all the way through. The handle design allows you to effortlessly twist or push through the center of the apple. Lift up the core and press the lever. The core is easily disposed or composted. The QuisiPro apple core has a large size diameter to ensure the entire core is removed. Once the core is removed, cut into wedges and serve. The QuisiPro apple core, a perfect tool for any.
Hello, I'm Faye, and today I have a fantastically handy kitchen product to share with you. These are silicone lids by Perfect and Simple. They provide a suction seal for your bowls and pots. To use them, you want to first make sure that the lid and container are dry. If they're moist, they work fine as a cover for pots or microwaving, but to get great suction, try to make sure that they're dry. For storage in the fridge, choose a lid that's closest in size to the container that you're using. Just pop the lid onto your container and give it a gentle press. You can see that you're getting a great seal because I can actually lift my bowl. Just please don't try to lift them by the handle if you have a full bowl. You're getting a great seal, but they're not intended to be used for carrying around. You can also use them in the freezer if you have something you want to cool down quickly, but they aren't for long-term freezer storage. They also work great as pot covers. Just make sure that you keep them away from direct flames to avoid damage, and do use caution when you remove the lid because they will seal in steam. To clean, just wash them in the sink or stick them right in the dishwasher. They're silicone, so they're actually really easy to clean. You can use them to store leftovers, keep your food warm before serving, on picnics to keep bugs away, and they're a great gift item because there are so many sizes they'll work in anyone's kitchen. A really ingenious product from Perfect and Simple.